a job as well to get as close to Brandenburg as it can.
Let's back up again!
Yes, it's a part of it.
It looks like a kitty. Mommy, the light is off.
Behind the light. Behind the light lies an unwavering commitment to purity and a steadfast dedication to craftsmanship. The utmost sincerity in guarding electricity. The outbreak of local and regional war, the bad weather, and various unstable factors will lead to power instability, resulting in significant inconveniences for people's work and lives, and even threatening their safety.
I have had a dream since childhood to become a great scientist like Edison. Edison brought light to the world with the electric light, and I want to protect that brightness for more people, safeguarding the safe use of electricity. When I established the company in 2006, I made the manufacture of electrical safety protection devices our main business. Voltage protectors, surge protectors, current protectors, and changeover switch, inverter, UPS are our key products. We are committed to ensuring the safety of electricity use, to intelligent power supply, and then to new energy power generation, aiming to build a complete industrial chain.
Behind the brightness, there are the breakthroughs of technical difficulties. The company constantly pursues for innovation and strives for excellence wisdom by wisdom. Leading to innovate realizes the intelligent manufacturing of electricity. The miracle of innovation is bright because someone is groping ahead in the darkness. They challenge impossible difficulty.
In order to meet the demands of customers, our teams continue to innovate and adhere to the good quality. The products are constantly iterated and upgraded. We aim to be better and better.
In 2018, BXST established the Morlab Technology R&D Center and Industrial Design Center. Every year, BXST develops over 200 new products. The products have obtained more than 300 national patents, a series of international certifications and honorary recognition, which helps BXST to be more confident to pursue the peak of technology. Being the paradigm pioneer, embracing AI plus new quality productive forces, these help BXST intelligent manufacturing of electricity to be a shining star in more than 50 countries and regions among the Belt and Road, under the help of the smart green track. Behind the brightness, there are the fellow travelers walking side by side, lighting up each other and going on a journey together. The same goals make us fight together. There are persistent predecessors here. There are also fearless young people here.
BXST, starting from a small workshop, gradually moving towards realization of group-based operations, and from an international single market to going global, relies on the business culture of benevolence, modesty, integrity and kindness, respect and altruism, win-win cooperation, and the core values of innovation, sharing and responsibility. This value, like a resilient spiritual bond, tightly connects our cooperative partners from around the world to foster mutual development.
In future, from design to production to the after-sales service, BXST will provide comprehensive and thoughtful one-stop services to meet the personalized needs of each customer around the world. In more corners of the world, BXST will guard the safe use of electricity, try to make the safer use of electricity, and make people's life much better. Where there is electricity, there is brightness. Where there is brightness, there is dream. Let's generate power for dreams, storing energy for the future. BXST make electricity safer for human being.